Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's USDA monthly supply and demand report day. Again, the market's not expecting a lot of changes, especially in corn and wheat, but they could raise the U.S. bean demand and lower the bean carryout. So the big report is on January 12th when they have the final U.S. 2014 crops, DEES-1 stocks, first estimate of 2015 winter wheat acres here in the United States, and then also come up with some new supply and demand numbers. I think the funds are thinking that the beans number will be a little positive. We're up again overnight. We're up against resistance at around the 1050 area in the nearby beans. Not much expected in the corn. We're about unchanged in prices near the upper end of the recent trading range. Wheat market's down again. I think it's a combination of the fact that Europe came out with revised wheat stocks that are higher and at 10-year highs, and also there's less concern about Russia restricting exports, and they continue to offer wheat at cheaper prices than U.S. As far as anything else, weather-wise, no concerns in the United States, no concerns in Brazil, no concerns in Argentina, which is offering a little bit of resistance to the marketplace. The fundamentals in the beans, looking ahead for the world supply, is still bearish, but the prices rally, and so the bears are trying to figure out why are we rallying. And the number one thing is that so far the Brazil and Argentina farmer has not sold enough beans into the pipeline to make enough meal to satisfy the global meal demand. And so we're picking up some here and there meal exports here in the United States that we weren't counting for. So number one, you're getting commercial buying in the meal market, and number two, you're not getting hedge pressure from South America. The perception is that really the farmer in Brazil may not sell until he feels a month from now that his crop's okay, and then he might start selling beans. The Argentina farmer really doesn't have any incentive to sell beans, and maybe until February when some bills are coming due. So the bean market is kind of caught between some positive nearby demand information versus long-term bearish fundamentals. So we still see a pretty steady, stable market because of the lack of farmer selling in South America. Today we have the USDA report at 11 o'clock. We'll be out with a quick video to say what they said and the market reaction. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite place. She was at the football game last night.